My name is Rebecca Spiller. I teach in Caerphilly and I'm a Welsh teacher. I've been a Welsh teacher for 5 years now, and this is my first year. I've been examining for 1 year. I decided to become an examiner in order to improve my understanding of the new specification, to be able to help the pupils in my class to understand the requirements of the exam, and to be able to plan lessons that suited them. You can take many things from being an examiner into the teaching environment, such as a better understanding of the questions. It's easier to plan a lesson to help the pupils in the class to understand what is required of them, and also to ensure that those pupils are confident when they walk into the exam. The training and support from the WJEC has been great. The day that we spent looking over the marking scheme was fantastic, because we had a chance to discuss with the principal examiner, to understand the questions, to discuss with other teachers, and to really understand the marking process. And also throughout the process, when we were marking online, we were in constant communication with the principal examiner, which was great.